kayak, explore around a little bit, and then go ripping back down the lake. It's really fun. It's a great adventure.
It was totally awesome. It was totally awesome. Once the kite was up, it was instantaneous that we were just cruising along, and sort of the ability to tack back and forth, I think, was the most impressive, and be able to just travel within that wind realm and, oh, swimmer, you know, and be cruising along with the boats, riding over the wakes, and generally just flying with no effort.
It was awesome. We had a kind of spotty wind day, but it was so beautiful that it didn't matter, and we just rode the puffs when we found them.